Hey everybody, it's Alicia, and I'm here to bring you the angel of the day from my new recording space. I'm so excited. This is such an incredible feeling to have my own little space where I know that sounds great and the lighting is perfect. Ah, I love it. So the name of today's angel is Yoloyo. Yoloyo is a seraphim, the angel of love and wisdom. This is the guardian angel of those born between March 26th and 30th. So if you have a birthday between March 26th and 30th, this is your guardian angel. Now this is the ruling day angel of today, August 12th. Also other days, but I'm going to tell you that in a second. So you are not a patient person. You love to do everything yourself. You get it done fast and right. Seeing others stuck upsets you. In spite of your impatience, you are a friendly and amicable person. You are curious about your destiny and look for answers. You easily see lessons in hardships. You are wiser because of the lessons learned. You rely on your intuition. So here we have the beautiful Ichthus with Yeshua in here, because these angels are sacred cards and Yeshua has dominion over these beautiful angels. So the psalm is Psalm 22:19, and Psalm 22:19 is reflective of someone calling out for aid and help, and that God came to their rescue. And that's beautiful because that's actually incorporated with the psalm that I'll be singing on Sunday at church. Okay, so the back of the card, Yoloyo, is the way you say the name Yo. So we have the Yod, the Lamed, and the Yod. Yo. And that's where the name comes from. Yoloyo rules over January 3rd, March 21st, June 1st, August 12th, and October 23rd. So those are the days that Yoloyo rules over. So meditate on the name of God, Yoloyo, to restore love in your life. So this is great. So if you are looking for love to be restored in your life, think the second name of God. And you might not remember it's Yoloyo, and the really cool thing about Yoloyo too is it has two yods. So it's Yoloyo. And so that is interesting because it's the second name and has two yods. And yod means do it now, do it now. So if you're looking for you want to restore love in your life, you want it right now, right? So this is very interesting with this angel. God tasked Yoloyo with bringing love. He helps with relationship problems. He restores love and passion into your marriage or other relationships. He helps us when we are in difficult situations. Yoloyo shows us how to restore and keep harmony in our relationships. He teaches us how to create inner peace and calmness. So who doesn't want that? Yoloyo means the helping God. So for more information on these beautiful angels, please go to aliciabaza.com, where you'll find out more about these beautiful angels, how you can be a part of the masterclass, and also how you can help me be a part of the angel army. I'm looking for people, and you know what? If you've ever considered being an angel guide, I can